How to delete your archive on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your archive on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile, click on those three lines up there. Now click on the second choice, which is archive. You choose your posts on your archive. I only have one post, so I'm gonna click on it. Now to delete this post, all you need to do is click on those 3 points and you have the last option, which is delete. Click on it. Now you can restore this post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So you choose. If you want to delete this photo, click on delete. And this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.